How many of know about how to receive the feedback like positive manner? We know very well about we will give the feedback also, we will receive the feedback. When we'll get the feedback like very negative feedback from anyone else, negative command and from any other, how to be our activities, how to be like to individual, that is very very important, my dear teams. Today we are going to learn that how to receive the feedback effectively. If you are going to uh, like anywhere meeting, anywhere conversation, someone individual don't like us, they will give the negative feedback like you are very terrible. If we are doing not right manner in that presentation, they give the criticize too, you are done very nice. That time we will not give immediate response, that is that will make us frustration. We control our frustrations, our angry and our emotional. We have to calm at the time of we don't respond to them. So we should keep calm and compose, relax. It will be help to replay. So how to will give the feedback? We wait and one day, after one day, what if we have the negative comment from other? We have to speak them. So it will help to that right to be in the situation. This is one of that we don't connect with emotional. We don't give the answer to directly that our have the any mental and present what is the situations. We don't get any angry at the time. Second one, how do we control ourselves? Everyone has the self respect is very very important. We other individual, our respect will go down means they are ready to pay our respect, they don't give the respect, they are giving under control and underestimate means how do we be in that situation? We avoid them, we stop them to being, we immediately change our other place, we have to move any other place. This will help to improve our individuals. So this main second point. And another one third point, how to be the receive that. So always we tell them, if you are they are giving negative mindset means we sell that, we say that to them, so I am not stay with you, so I go back something. We are responsible to the opposite side, don't immediately respond means we will reduce our self respect. We always be in calm and compose any situation receiving the feedback. Wherever you go we'll get the negative people will be along with only, but we don't be that group. It will reduce our growth also, it will reduce our self respect also. So we need to be in right person and right situations. So don't be take the frustrations and sad and feeling the bad negatively, don't take, that is not right way. We be the how to respond, we should learn that how to handle the situation, that is a very very important, my dear friends. So this is I'm learning today. Thank you. Signing out, Satyamurthy. Will meet another one more great video.